Here's a day in my life as a safety officer. First, I start off with breakfast and I grab my gears. So I ensure that I have my safety glasses, my safety helmet, my steel toe shoes, my vest, and my long pants, and a comfortable shoes as well as socks. Today we're going to West Indies Petroleum Company in Ochi. So I grab a snack, some bun and cheese, and a water. After traveling for about an hour and a half, we finally reach in Ocho Rios, and this is the location where we're heading. Before going to the location, we first went for lunch. We went for lunch at this restaurant that was basically in the town. I believe it's called the Reggae Alley Bar and Grill. Yes, so that's where we went for lunch. This is the location. It is a pretty relaxed